All right, good day everyone, and welcome to Cad-Cafe. On this tutorial, I'll be taking you through the next features, which is a revolved boss and base. Okay, so quickly, and let's just go ahead and sketch on the front plane. And again, on this tutorial, I'll be using a bottle to to apply this feature. All right, so we first of all sketch the bottle, and to do that, we of course we need to use our spline tool and a line. And in this case, we use the center line. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so let's make our line 5 meters. Oh, 5 inches. Okay, I forgot to change the unit. So, however, let's just be there. Okay, so and then let's just go ahead and use our spline tool. For this purpose, let's be using the style spline. Okay, so we check it out from here to here. Okay, let's extend this our line to meet up with it here. Alright, so let's just go ahead and adjust this our spline to the desired shape we want. Okay. Okay. All right, so I think that looks more or less like our what we want. Okay, so you could see that, and I could choose to make this a section view. Okay, let's make it 180. All right. Okay, so and you can actually edit that into what you wanted initially, a full blown bottle. Okay. This doesn't may not really look like a conventional bottle, but it's okay. So that's how the Revolve BossBase tool works. Okay, so you don't necessarily have to just make your drawing complex. So most of these features is really helpful. But let's just go ahead and draw something else. Let's delete the sketch, and then let's just draw something else. Of course, first of all, we have to select our plane. So let's assume you want to draw a pot. Okay, this time around, let's just use the actual spline itself. Or can we just make it a cup? Let's just stick to our pot. Okay, so and then that is it for. Let me unselect that. Okay. All right, and then let's go ahead and then adjust this, and then adjust this. Let's take this up a little bit, and then let's take this up a little bit. Okay. Uh, okay. So okay, and then let's close this up with a line. Let's see what happens. Okay. All right. So see that. So that's the beauty of the tool. It's very very easy to use and very efficient in drawing some sketches that may look complex. Okay, or solid drawings that may look complex. Okay, so and you might as well want to sketch on this. Let's do something on this. Mm, okay, the one, although in this case, it's actually making it a straight. It's not actually our pot is not actually hollow like entirely. Okay, so it's just a straight drawing now. That is in for another tutorial. Okay, so I just want to make an illustration how to use this Evolve boss base. So you want to draw all these things, these features or these solid bodies, um, uh, bottles, pots, cup and all of those things. So this is the best tools you could actually may want to use for your drawing. All right, so thank you very much and don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day.